Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, my name is Jen. I do a whole lot of clothing unboxing videos. Some of them are subscription boxes and some of them are shopping hauls. And for subscription boxes, I like to do a wide variety of boxes, be it the most well-known, which is Stitch Fix, to some that I don't see any other unboxing videos for, but I just found it and wanted to try it because it looks like fun. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe below so you can stick around and watch all my future videos. I've got some exciting ones coming up, so make sure to subscribe so you're sure not to miss it. So today is one of the lesser known or even completely unknown boxes. I'm not even sure how I found it. I think I was on some sort of website where you can look up subscription boxes, and it was one of 50, and I was interested in it because they send you a complete outfit. So what it is, first of all, it's called Stylestarter, and what it is, for $40 a month, they send you one complete outfit. It is yours to keep. If you need to send back something, you can do that within 2 weeks and receive a replacement item. They say it is a top, bottom accessory and just kind of a random surprise other thing. So you can pay $40 for one box, or you can prepay for 3 months for, I think it's $115, or 6 months for $230. But either way, you're paying for the clothes all up front, but you get a styled outfit for 40 bucks. I think they do charge you additional maybe $5 for shipping. So you go on their website, you basically buy a box, and then I think I got the next day they emailed me a style survey that I filled out, and then probably a few days later I found out that they were shipping this to me. I'm very excited to try this. I have no idea what's in here. I hope it's awesome, and let's get into it. Okay, so first of all, this is what it looks like inside. And let's go. So it looks like the kind of free item is a 5-minute facial mask. It is a perfecting primer sheet mask. So that's awesome. Who doesn't love skin enhancing face masks? And I love these sheet masks. I mean, it just makes it so much easier. So that's cool. And then we have a pair of silver hoop earrings, and those are very cute. And then we have this black and white polka dot top. It's got like a peplum bottom here. It's got a, I wanted to call it a tie back here, but I don't know what to call this. And an open back. Now, seeing as I'm not 20, I would never wear this by itself, but maybe under a blazer, this would be super awesome. So, I mean, I love the polka dots on it. I love the cut of it. It's just, you know, that this back here is not happening on its own. But again, with the blazer, could be awesome. And then the last item here is a pair of jeans. So just some pink high-waisted skinny jeans. So very cute. So all this for 40 bucks. Brand new items. Seems like a really good deal. Hopefully this stuff will fit. I'm a little concerned about whether these are, since the outfit seems kind of young, whether this is going to be like junior sizing versus women's sizing, in which nothing will fit, but we shall see. Let's try it on. Okay, I'm actually super impressed. So first of all, everything fits amazingly. Considering I just sent some general sizes in my styling survey, I didn't send measurements or anything like that, yet somehow everything fits like a glove. The jeans just fit amazingly. Love them. And what's that? Oh yeah, these ends are not rolled. So, what? That's awesome. So perfect length, perfect fit. These have nice stretch to them. And while I can't say they're like the world's softest jeans, they are very comfortable. So very happy. So I'm impressed. I like the earrings. I'll come up here for this. The top fits really, really well. I think it's very cute. Love it. Absolutely love it. Again, if I was younger, I would wear it with the open back, but I'm not going to do that at 35. But I thought it did look good with a blazer. In fact, this may be my outfit for work today because it's Casual Friday. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this outfit, but I'm really happy with it. All this for 40 bucks. Okay, to talk about brands, because I always forget to give you guys the brands when there isn't a price sheet at the end. But the pants are by Hot Kiss. They are the high-rise ankle jegging. The shirt is Charlotte Russe, and the earrings are H&M. I'm extremely pleased with this service. I am definitely going to be using them again. I will put a link for them below, so you should check them out. Hopefully you enjoy them as much as I do. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see future unboxing videos and find other maybe gem style boxes like this one was. And hopefully we'll see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post. Alright, thanks for watching my video. I very, very much appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye.